Your iPhone won't stop buzzing at work, so you silence it. But your phone doesn't have to be a distraction. Focus modes for each activity that completely change the way your iPhone feels. It's not just lock screens, you can have different home pages for each focus. And we'll even check out how to get your focus modes to change automatically based on time or location. So let's check it all out from the start. From your iPhone home screen, head into the control center at the top right and find Focus. You should have a few focuses pre-made here, and you might not have known about this entire other world sitting inside your settings, just waiting for you to discover. Let's start with creating a new focus. I'll make this focus for when I work out. So here we got people you want to allow notifications from. By default, it's going to silence everyone except for the people you add here using this plus sign. And apps you might want to allow notifications from. Since this is a workout focus, I'll add some fitness apps. And you got other options, like if you want notifications to show on your lock screen or more. Then we got the best part, lock screen, but also home screens and watch faces. First, I'll set a lock screen. For home screen, I don't want the same old home screen as when I'm just chilling. I want to create a brand new one just for this focus. And now press Edit Apps, and wow, I bet you've never seen this screen on your iPhone before. Just add any of the apps you want to see while you're using your workout focus. So here I'll have all my fitness stuff, but also my camera on this page because everyone wants that workout selfie. And now that I'm done, of course we can finish off using a watch face. You can make them on your Apple Watch, and then when you change your focus on your iPhone, it'll also change on the watch. Just below this, you have schedule. This is more than just time. There's also location and when you use an app. And since I'm on fitness, I'll change it to location and set that to the gym. You can change how your calendar shows up or which email addresses are prioritized. Make your iMessages show only certain conversations from people you added all the way at the top. Or use your music history and even set up Safari tab groups, which you can set up inside of Safari and it'll automatically change to these tabs when your focus changes. There's also low power mode and dark mode here. Choose those settings accordingly for the focus you're making, like sleep mode. That was making these focuses, doing their lock screens, home pages, who's allowed, and how your apps act. We can activate or change our focus in the control center up top. Some of these turn on based on time, like the sleep focus, fitness when I reach the gym, one for driving, and the built-in ones that came in with your iPhone. These focus modes not only sync to your Apple Watch, but also to your Mac and iPad. And let's finish off by checking out a shortcut that's floating around on YouTube and seems to be very popular. We're creating a shortcut to quickly switch between focus modes so you can use your iPhone productively. Open your Shortcuts app, press the plus sign at the top right, type focus in the search bar, select Set Focus, and change Do Not Disturb to whatever focus you want to change this to. Repeat those steps 3 more times for other focuses. And now you want to press Select up here and choose these 4 focuses. Press Move at the bottom and make a new folder with them. Now go to your home page and create a new widget. Now type in Shortcut and select the folder you just created to quickly switch between focus modes for ultimate productivity. That's all for focus mode, so you can get the most out of your iPhone experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave us a like, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe so you can stay up to date on the best Apple tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.
Softorino. Tiny apps that make a gigantic difference.